We're making hot Cheetos, cheesy corn dogs. Let's dive right into it. Starting things off with a cup of warm water, 1 packet of active dry yeast. We're going to put that into the bowl along with 1 tablespoon of sugar. Give that a very good mix, and we're going to let that sit for 5 minutes. So once your yeast is done resting for 5 minutes, it should start to look like this, nice and foamy on the very top. Add in a 1.5 cups all-purpose flour, give everything a good mix, and we're looking for a wet batter. Mix it up for a good 5 minutes to let the gluten form, and then let it rest for 30 minutes. Set that aside. Hot Cheetos. I love me some flaming hot Cheetos. Make sure to get you some puffy hot Cheetos. Pour everything into a Ziploc bag, zip it up, and give everything a good crush. Beat it up like you owe you lunch money. Bang, bang, boom, boom, just like that. So once you're done crushing all the hot Cheetos, pour it into a plate and it should look like a nice fine powder, just like this. Set that aside, unpack the hot dogs and pat it dry. This is going to help the batter stick to the hot dog a whole lot better. Turn it sideways and cut everything down the middle. Get you some pepper jack cheese because we're all about that flavor over here. Cut it into the same length of the hot dogs, just like this right here. And then next, we're going to start skewering it onto the sticks. Half hot dog, half cheese. It's not rocket science. You get the picture. Alright, so it has been a little over 30 minutes, and as you can see, our dough has doubled in size. Still jiggly and wet, just like how I want it. So the trick to this is, roll your corn dog into it sideways, and the dough is going to pick up and pull itself. And then once you're done doing that, roll it into the hot Cheetos, the one we crushed earlier. Make sure you get everything a good coating, and then drop that into the fryer. And we are halfway there, guys. Excuse my neighbor's dogs. I think they want some hot Cheetos too. Well, follow and like for more, guys. Till next time. Peace.